How you doing, everyone? Hope you're all well this evening. Just gonna have a quick look at AMP, Flexa, and see what's going on. And this is the second video I'm making so far this evening, because I think I yawned about 7 times in 3 minutes. So rest assured, I'm putting in the research and the time to get you the best and most transparent information that I can. And this is not financial advice; these are genuine predictions. Based on research, but it does not mean that they're going to play out positively or negatively. It's just what to look for if the market is bullish or bearish. So for the last 7 days, AMP has completely and utterly fallen off the chart and came down to just below 2.6, and which is pretty good, to be fair, considering the downward trajectory it was on, that we didn't make it back to the 2.1 significant zone, which I think from there was a slight free fall back to dropping a naught, or so really good to see. And hopefully if Bitcoin continues to move sideways / moves upwards and has put in its final low for this period, we should see a nice climb from AMP. However, if Bitcoin does decide to completely fall off the table again, sorry, this is your number one for this video. So yeah, if Bitcoin does decide to go sub 30 and completely fall off the table, rest assured that you've got 2.1 as support. If we fall through 2.5, from there it could be quite a momentous drop. So I'm quite confident that with Bitcoin currently sitting in, I can't call it bullish, but there's definitely a positive move from Bitcoin, where we are sitting within the Ishimoku cloud, and I do expect us to possibly have a slight back test down to about 35.4, and then possibly a move up to 37.1, and then just some sideways action until Tuesday. So how would that affect AMP? A slight back test within the Ishimoku might bring us back down to a level close to the 25.7, but then it should hopefully bring us back into this channel of resistance and support, and see some sideways consolidation. So I'm going to leave these previous predictions here because they could genuinely play out. I do expect them to play out. They cover all the bases, but they do give us essentially targets and expected movement channels up until the summer, really. And that's essentially how long I believe it will take us to climb out of where we are. It's not often that you have 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 5th week of a catastrophic drop, and that was let's mark out, because I don't think I've played it for the weekly. Yeah, 55% is huge, and yeah, I think there's only one other token I've seen have a 55% or near enough 55% drop. So yeah, it's not financial advice. If you're holding, you have to do what's best for you. But just to advise, we are not going to climb out of here quickly, and I do expect there to be a level of pump to find us a higher level of support, but to get back up to this sort of zone at 4.8 is going to take us until the summer, late spring, summer. Possibly if Bitcoin decides to go sub 30 and stay there for the summer, then we may actually bring it back to the 2 cent range, possibly lower, but we'll cover that as time unfolds. Best of luck, see you on the next one.